Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to do a quick video with one of the most exciting cars in our lot. This is a brand new 2023 Kia Sorento X-Line SX Prestige, as nice as they get, true top of the line, in the gorgeous Aruba green over rust natural leather interior. And coming around the front, you can see the beautiful LED headlights, dark graphite finished alloy wheels, and this interior is gorgeous. It's more of a cognac, the rust interior. You'll also have that echoed into the door panels with this lovely contrast stitching. And basically every feature you can imagine. Heated front and rear seats, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, panoramic sunroof. It can basically drive itself. And one of my favorite features offered in any Kias, only the Highline model, is the surround view monitor. You hit the turn signal, it shows a video of what's in your blind spot as you change lanes. Really some incredible technology on this car. And again, normally this is a special order car. This one actually showed up without a name attached to it. And we're running a special on our new vehicles this month. So if you're looking for something like this that you can just glide right through the snow in without a worry about traction, fantastic vehicle in the winter, just shoot us a call or stop by today and let us know what we can do.